In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and show panels on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do is look at this left-hand side over here where it says panels to the left of the chart over here, and then you can see the markets panel, the order panel, and then the trades panel. Whenever you hover over any of these, as you can see, the panel on your screen will actually turn like bluish. It's going to get highlighted, and then if you want to hide it, simply click on it, and then it's going to basically get hidden, it's going to pop out, and you'll be able to put it wherever on your screen you want. You can do this for all these lines, so the order panel, you can do it for the markets panel as well, and you can do it for the trades panel. So you can hide all of them. If they are not blue, it means they are hidden. If they are blue, it means that they are actually showing, okay? So you can go ahead and show them yet again like this. There we go, and now they're back on my screen. And you can also do it with the press of a different button on your keyboard. So the markets panel is M, as you can see. The order panel is O. There we go, that works. And then the trade panel is T, and there we go. You can hide and reveal it back that way as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.